Time for a Nurses Know segment. We know that choking is the leading cause of injury among children. This can be fatal, especially for children 4 and younger. This is according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. So we wanted to get some more information on this. So ER nurse Jamie Pate is here from East Tennessee Children's Hospital. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
And first, you just showed me something amazing, the size of an airway for a child that small. If you could show that to us here and talk about it.
Yes, this is actually the size of an average 4-year-old's airway. And as you can see, it's very tiny.
Like a straw almost.
Yes.
Yeah.
About the size of a pinky. And if you're talking about a younger child, it's actually going to be smaller than that. So,
oh, that's so scary.
Yeah, it wouldn't take very much to block that. So.
And that's the thing, the common items, we know food, of course, tops that list, but other things too.
Food, of course, and then common household items, toys, of course, and then bottle caps.
Oh, those like unlikely things you wouldn't necessarily think of.
Coins, balloons, and even once a balloon's inflated, common party favors, a child could play with that, bite on it, it pops, gets in their airway, and it can block the airway.
All right, and of course prevention goes hand in hand with this, thinking outside the box of those little things that you wouldn't think about.
Yes.
All right, also talking about what you do if your child does start to choke. I noticed in your notes you said don't immediately go try to grab it out of their mouth.
Do not try to reach into the airway and pull that out, because you can actually push it further into the child's airway, which could cause bigger problems.
Now, if you feel like you need to start CPR, what do you do?
Well, if a person has been properly trained in maneuvers to dislodge the item, they can do that. Now, once a child becomes unconscious, you would want to start CPR, have someone call 911.
All right. Now, again, what else can folks do if they see their child is choking? What would your best advice here?
If they see the child is choking, you would want to try to dislodge the item, and properly trained people could do that. Anything that they're doing that was an improper technique could actually cause more harm than good. So.
All right. Well, Jamie, great information here. I'm sure parents are thankful for that this morning, and we're going to get all that up on local8now.com. We'll be